All right, so for number 12, it says the number of seeds in each of the 12 apples. So let's read what this means. Now, before I read the passage, I'm going to look at the graph. It says the number of apples is the y-axis, and then the number of seeds. So it looks like, I'm guessing, they're planting a certain number of seeds, and they want to see how many apples you get from the seeds that you plant. So based on the histogram here of the following, which is the closest to the average arithmetic number of seeds per apple? And so what you need to do, it's the seeds in the apple. I think if I have, this is how many seeds I have, but I have 2 apples that have 3 seeds. They want to know the arithmetic mean of the number of seeds per apple. So I got to figure out the total number of seeds, okay, divided by the total number of apples. So this means I'm going to have 2 times 3 plus 5 times 4 plus 6 times 1 plus 7 times 2 plus 9 times 3, okay? And since this is the calculator portion of the test, let's just do that real quick. So I'm going to say, and you may not know this, but you could say 6 times 3 plus, your calculator automatically follows the order of operations. So it'll literally multiply these things first and then add them. So this should give me the right answer. If I hit the right number, you got to make sure you don't accidentally hit a plus sign when you're supposed to hit an addition sign. So that all adds up to 73. So there are 73 seeds total. And then how many apples were there total? Well, now we got to add them up. So the total number of apples was 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So there are 12 apples. So to get the seeds per apple, you're going to take 73 and divide it by 12. So let's go back into our calculator and take 73 and divide it by 12. And I get 6.08. Actually, it equals 6.08, so I don't need to do the approximation. Well, would it be 6 or would it be 7? So that. Well, would you? Well, you can, because it's saying what is the arithmetic mean average, and if you notice, they're not counting. So which one is the closest to 6.8? 6. Now, sometimes you round up, sometimes you round down, depending on it, right? If this was questioned by what is the maximum number of seeds you would expect, but they're saying what is the closest. So that it depends on how it's worded. Since it said what is the closest, 6 is the closest. Yeah, that's from the rain. Any questions on this particular problem as opposed to the weather? All right.